Ready?
Dear student, welcome everybody to online lesson activities. I am Rabiul Alam, assistant teacher of Gazokati Tafsili High School. Today I will try your English first paper class. Hope you are well. I am also well. Before going to class, I want to talk with you. Beside the screen, you will be ready with your textbook, pen and paper. It will help you greatly. Dear students, sometimes we travel one place to another place by bus, train, launch, boat, etc. As a preparation of this journey, we go to railway station, bus stand and river ghat. But there is another type of journey, another type of preparation. Can you tell what it is? It is travel by plane. For the plane journey, we need some preparation. We need to go airport. Our today's topic is at the airport. Dear students, take your English textbook and find out Unit 6 and Lesson 1. Dear students, the lesson is divided. Have you find out the lesson? Unit 1 and Lesson Unit 6 and Lesson 4. Dear students, the lesson is divided into 4 parts. Part A, Part B and Part C, D. First we will go section A. In this section A, can you see the picture here? Under the picture, there are 4 questions. Can you see? You can see it in your textbooks also. Dear students, in the picture you will only think and guess, and you will try to give the answer under the picture. So think. What do you see? Can you guess where it could be? Who are the people in the picture? And last question, what could be their relation? Dear student, think about the picture and ready your answer, ready your imagination, thinking, an idea. Perhaps it completes section A and you tried to give answer under the picture. Dear students, now we are going to section B. In section B, your duty is read the section B. There is a passage. You will read the passage carefully. While you will read the passage, you can find some difficult word, such as write down the word in your notebook. process of and waiting room, it is lounge. That means a waiting room at an airport. So read the question, read the passage, and you will try to find out if your imagination and your answer is right or wrong. In section A, you thought, you imagine, you guess to answer the question. After reading section B, you will find out if your answer right or wrong. Perhaps you have completed your thinking. Now, dear student, we are going to section C. You can see section E. You can see section C in your textbook. Here is 3 questions. Can you see the question? First, why is Mita excited? Why could not Mita's parent going with her? What does an immigration officer do at an airport? Dear student, read the passage again and write the answer in your notebook. Read the passage silently and give the answer. Why Mita is excited? Why are not Mita's parents going with her? What does an immigration officer do at an airport? Have you complete your reading? I am checking. I am also going to find out answer from you. Why is Mita excited? Perhaps you answer the question in your notebook. Mita is excited. Answer. Mita is excited because she is traveling by plane for the first time. Question number 2. Why are not Mita's parents going with her? Perhaps you write down the answer in your khata. The answer is because they are busy with their work. Dear students, I am giving your homework. Write your experience of a journey. You will describe your experience in the way, preparation, bus stand, railway station, etc. Sometimes you have traveled in many places. Write down your experience in your answer. This is your homework. Thank you everybody.